In parallelogram, the diagonals bisect each other. So these are the additional properties of parallelogram. Also, you will have some other properties like opposite angles will be equal. You will learn in the next things. Now, coming to next branch, that is the hereditary tree from parallelogram, the next generation is we get rectangle. There are two ways in this generation. One is rectangle. You know, all of you already about rectangle. Opposite sides will be equal, and here each angle will be 90 degrees. And other branch is from this parallelogram you will get is rhombus. And remember, this rhombus includes the property of height also. Rhombus. What is rhombus? In this, all sides will be equal. You may say that square also all sides equal, but there is a lot of difference. In rhombus, each angle is not 90 degrees, whereas in square, each angle is 90 degrees. Coming to rectangle, opposite sides are equal, each angle 90 degrees. Along with some other properties are diagonals will be equal. Diagonals will be equal. Diagonals will be equal. And diagonals are automatically bisect each other. Why? Because whatever the properties the before generation has, the present generation will also have the same property. Coming to rhombus. Rhombus, all sides are equal and diagonals intersect at right angle. Why? Because in kite the property is there. But they bisect also. Why? Because they are coming from, it is coming from parallel. So the diagonals bisect at right angle. All sides are equal and opposite angle equal as it is in parallel. Comprising of all these properties, the last figure we get, that is the properties of rectangle and rhombus combined, is nothing but square. In square, all sides are equal. Okay, each angle 90 degrees. Diagonals are equal as well as they bisect each other at right angle. In rectangle, they don't bisect at right angle, but here they bisect at right angles. So this is about a tree diagram of quadrilaterals with their properties. Let me give you a brief one or two steps of their properties for each diagram in statement wise. You can refer this tree diagram in your textbook also. In the chapter beginning, you will have this tree diagram. Now we will write properties in one or two sentences for each quadrilateral type. General quadrilateral we don't have any properties, so no need. Coming to next, kite also it is not mandatory. Now we will start from trapezium. In trapezium only one property is one pair of opposite sides parallel. Parallel, this is the symbol of parallel. Next, parallelogram. I hope all of you know about parallel. You have learned in parallel lines in your previous class. Parallel means which do not intersect each other, like opposite edges of board. Parallelogram. What is parallelogram? Our definition we have each pair of opposites parallel. Along with that, each pair of opposite side equal also. So each pair of opposite side parallel and equal. Diagonals bisect each other. And opposite angles also equal. Coming to next one is what? Rhombus, rectangle and square. Rhombus, all sides equal. Diagonals bisect perpendicularly. This is the symbol of perpendicular. Perpendicular is what? When they get 90 degrees between them, like adjacent edges of both. Next, we have this rectangle. opposites equal and opposites are equal, okay, in all everything. And each angle 90 degrees. Each angle right angle or 90 degrees. Diagonals equal. This is a special property for which starts at rectangle. Diagonals equal. And comprising of all these properties is square. What are all the properties? All sides equal. All angles equal. Each angle 90 degrees. Diagonals are equal and bisected right angle. These all properties are found in square. So this is about the introduction of quadrilateral, their types and different properties of their types. Why we are learning this all? In construction of quadrilaterals of different categories, we use these properties for construction. That is why we are going to learn first about these properties. Okay, thank you.